Today we're on Pilgrim Creek. Got some reports that there was trees down, so we'll probably clear this segment of brush. Get some more brush out of the way, and then you can see where this was the tree that's down. A little bit more brush, and do a before and after. And here's the after. So it took about 20 minutes to trim back this section, which is about probably 150 feet. Trimming it back about 5 feet. Hopefully it'll take that long to overgrow again. There's that cleared out. And then another swath up a little bit. So there's the after. So while we're cutting, I got Ted cutting the brush. He's using a Silky. Here's the finest trimmer that you can get. So you see, there's Oli, it's overgrown. And then there's the tree. So while we're here, we'll do some brushing, but boy, it takes a long time. So we'll do a little bit of this section, see what it looks like. So here's the after. This is where we started cutting back the brush. That's where the tree was. And then cut back the brush here, cut down a dead tree. And we went about this far. And Ted is cutting behind us, so we're headed to a tread project and see if he ever catches up to us. So we're just trying to hit the brush projects that are just really bad. Could spend a few days in here, but this one, I'm gonna cut this back. Super humid day today, August, and I think 24th, it's Wednesday, so we'll see how far we get. So that shows you the overgrown. And a lot of times we do this mainly for safety, because sometimes this brush covers up maybe an obstacle, and that's what we're doing here. There's a curve here, and then you really can't see too much ahead of you. Uh-oh.
Man down.
Trail debris. So this took 2 people, because Ted was downstream cutting by hand. But here's an after, and this took me and Oli probably about just under an hour. And that was brushing it back about at least 4 to 5 feet on each side. So I'm sure it'll make a decent before and after. So I forgot how far we went. I think went up to the corner, went farther than I intended. And it's just super humid today. Holy schmoly. So, oh yeah, then I took rocks off the trail and made a cairn. That way people don't get lost. So this is how far we went. Probably like, I don't know, 100 feet, maybe 150 feet. Went up to that tree. And there's the after. So here's another log right there. And then here's the after, all clear. And another tree. So right now, where it's overgrown, we've been cutting it by hand a little bit here, but we're gonna probably come back and trim as much as we can. But there's the tree. There's the after. Trim back a little bit around that corner. All good.